Have you learned good? Komal, we start from you. आपने क्या सीखा इस क्लास में, and you think that it is good?
Yes, ma'am. It's
You
a very
can,
good.
yeah, you can just, switch on your camera.
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Yes, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, I have learned many things from you. Uh, Most of all, your book, Sitare Zami Par, it helps me a lot. Helps me a lot. Actually, I am taking. I have told you na ki dysgraphia ka student I have. I have only one student. So
Okay.
and the most probably I want to work with you.
Okay.
I'm very
Definitely.
happy to be with you. Yes, I want to work with you.
Definitely. Definitely. We are going to work together. And
Hi.
sooner I'll
Like to
just,
do other courses also. I
yeah,
like
yeah.
your company, your behavior, your talking sense. It's very, very nice.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you, Komal. Mronalini ma'am, would you just like to say a few words about this course?
Ma'am, wait for 2 minutes.
Okay, no problem. Uh, Uma ma'am.
Yeah, certainly. I really like this program. Only the thing is that in between, due to some things, missed the live classes, which
Okay.
I will go through all the recordings again.
Yeah.
And as the madam said, ki she is interested in working with you. I would like to work with you, but I'm in Mumbai. How can I be of any help to you? First of all. Secondly, I'm starting my own practice. So
Wonderful.
this thing will help me a lot.
Okay, wonderful. So I'll send you the proposal how you can work with me. So we also
Yeah.
provide the CDC franchisee, which is a child development center franchisee, wherein all the programs are there, and how you get affiliation, how you can give the certification with affiliation to the other students, those who are doing the program with you, including both parents and teachers, and how you can provide remediation to the students. So I'll send you the proposal
Okay.
for everything, and probably we can discuss about it later. Okay.
Surely, surely.
Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you so much for
You
joining
have
this
my
program.
number one on one.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
looking at this, like for the first time, I have come across such a detailed and what do you call that, more practical oriented class on remedial education.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah. All right. Shanika.
Ma'am, just give me a minute.
Okay. Sumaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just switch on your camera, please.
Just a minute, ma'am. Am I visible now, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. So regarding this class, I felt very like I've done also my child psychology diploma, but I didn't had this kind of in-depth classes over there. So I felt that doing that diploma was kind of not valuable comparatively to this course, because this is a short-term course that I did it for an year. So
Yeah,
I got a clarity, a very good clarity, and I too have wanted to connect with you personally, since I
surely.
own my personal brand called Get In Mental Health Services. So it will be very grateful if we could able to collaborate in future.
Absolutely, absolutely. And let me remind you, because this program is all about the practical training. The diploma, what you have done was all kind of a theory, uh,
Yeah,
knowledge that you have, or maybe the books that you have with yourself. But this program is all about the practical training, and this program is, this training we have collected the my 15 years experience, and then we have
exactly.
designed all these PPT, and we have designed all these programs.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Shanika. Yeah, yes, Mrinalini ma'am.
हाँ मैम। मैम, बहुत ज़्यादा आपने डिटेल में सिखाया है और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा मुझे, और मैं सेटिस्फाइड भी हूँ कि मैंने जो आपका कोर्स ज्वाइन किया तो।
Thank you so
और
much.
मुझे अभी आगे भी मैम आपका कोर्स, जो भी है आपका कोर्स है या वो सीडीडी क्या है, सीडीसी, उसमें भी ज्वाइन होना है मैम।
Sure, I'll send you the
हाँ,
details.
हाँ, और मैम डिप्लोमा जो है उसके लिए भी हमको भेजो ना आप।
Sure, I'll
अ,
send. I'll send the
हाँ
diploma details also.
हाँ यस मैम।
Sure,
और
I'll do
मैम
that.
इन इन फ्यूचर अगर कुछ भी हेल्प लगी तो प्लीज मैम।
एब्सोल्युटली, यू
एक्चुअली
कैन कॉल मी एनी टाइम। प्रिया
हाँ
प्रिया जी
मैम।
ने मुझे कॉल किया है, उनका बच्चे का इशू
हाँ
था। शी डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल विथ मी, एंड आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड हर द options and remediations also according to the age of the child. Anyone, if any moment in life you think that you require my help, you can contact me.
मैम एक्चुअली मेरी सिस्टर का बेटा है स्पेशल, इसके लिए मुझे आपकी हेल्प लगेगी मैम।
No worries, ma'am. You can call me, and you can, if anyone wants to book online session, so they can book online session also with me. I can guide both the parents, father and mother, how to handle
ये
the child and what are the duties, and can segregate also. Because
यस मैम।
पेरेंट लेवल पे क्या होता है कि जब बच्चा स्पेशल होता है तो बहुत बार वर्किंग पेरेंट्स के लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है पार्टिसिपेट करना। तो हम इस
यस
तरह
मैम।
से फैमिली थेरेपी डिज़ाइन करके देते हैं, जिसमें दोनों पेरेंट्स का पार्टिसिपेशन एक तरह से इक्वल हो जाता है।
यस मैम एंड
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
Yeah. My pleasure. Thank you so much.
यस मैम।
Yeah. Yes, Chanika.
मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू, आपने सीरियसली बहुत अच्छे से हम लोग को कोर्स करवाया है। इट्स एक्चुअली शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स, बट आपने इतना डिटेल में हम लोग को एक्सप्लेन किया है कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। सम ऑफ माई क्लासेस आर मिसिंग एक्चुअली, तो मैं उनका रिकॉर्डिंग चेक करूँगी, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड लाइक टू वर्क विद यू एंड वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट दिस, मतलब स्पेशल एजुकेशन एंड दिस